When you think of your identity, what comes to mind? Your name. Okay, here's a discovery. Your name only touches the surface of your complicated story. Beyond the surface-level identification is a deeper fundamental essence. So the question persists, who are you? Truly? Surprisingly, most replies fall short of conveying the whole scope of our existence. When we introduce ourselves, we frequently refer to something external, such as our employment or where we are from. But let's go deeper. You are more than simply your job title or place of origin. These are only labels, and labels can change. Your genuine self exists beyond these superficial labels. Consider it this way. If someone asks who you are, you may mention your age, job, or birthplace. However, they are only portions of your tale. They do not provide the complete picture. You see, a profession can change, your age can rise, and your location may vary. But at your core, you stay the same. Your core identity remains constant. With these external upheavals, you may have encountered difficult times and seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Those bad circumstances do not define you. You are not limited to the pain or stress you have encountered. These problems come and go, but your essential self is untouched. It's like peeling back layers to see something unchangeable at your core. So, the next time someone inquires about you, remember that it is more than simply a collection of superficial characteristics. You are more than just your experiences and job description. There is a consistent, steadfast you beyond the labels that remains unchanged despite life's twists and turns. Let's look at anxiousness and overthinking. Those times when your mind races with fears about the future or becomes imprisoned in endless ideas. It occurs to everyone. But here's the key. You are not the anxiousness or the overthinking. Think about it like this. There are two halves of you. One portion experiences difficulties, such as anxiety or becoming stuck in a thinking cycle. The other portion observes. It's as if a watcher can grasp what's going on without being enmeshed in the experience. The watcher within you is aware of your anxiousness and overthinking. So, who is the observer? It's you. You are the one detecting these mental states. You may feel stuck in anxiety, but you are not the anxiety. You may find yourself overthinking, but you are not the one overthinking. You are the only one aware of these procedures. This awareness is an effective tool. It's similar to taking a step back to view the larger picture. Pretend you're in a play. One half of you performs in the scenes during difficult moments, while the other part observes from the audience, understanding the storyline. That is the awareness. This dualism is essential when faced with adversities in life. It may be tempting to let them define you, but the true magic arrives when you realize that you are the one who notices the obstacles rather than being devoured by them. In tough times, remember that the person who is aware of the pain is not the one who is experiencing it. It's as if you had a built-in resilience, a part of you that is removed from your challenges and capable of seeing and managing them clearly. This knowledge provides you with a crucial perspective on your issues, allowing you to look beyond the present battle and discover a way out. We all experience hurdles in life, such as difficulties, sorrow, and suffering. Now, this is a game changer. Recognizing that being aware of pain is not the same as experiencing it. Imagine that you have two sides to yourself. One side suffers through difficult circumstances, while the other side, which is aware of what is going on, maintains calm. It's as if there's an inherent distinction between the experience and the consciousness of the experience. This knowledge is a powerful weapon when you find yourself overthinking or caught up in the stress of everyday life. Consider this. Who is aware of what is happening? It is not about finding a solution in your thinking. It is about acknowledging that you are conscious. It's similar to playing both the role of actor and audience in your own life drama. This shift in perspective from being enmeshed in ideas to being a spectator of those thoughts is transformational. It's like zooming out of the minutiae to view the broader picture. You discover that while one part of you goes through difficult moments, the other observes and understands. It acknowledges that you are not the only person experiencing life's ups and downs. You are also the awareness that sticks out. Understanding these moments of awareness may be a powerful tool for detaching from your misery. To manage the storm with a clearer mind, let's look at the notion of connecting with your actual self, which exists beyond external circumstances. It's about recognizing that you're more than just an average human. There is something bigger within you. Consider how conscious you are of yourself when you read or listen. It's like having a continual presence in the back of your mind, always there and observing. This knowledge is a fundamental part of your being that transcends the changes of daily living. In essence, you are not limited by the narrative of your history, life story, or mistakes. These are your life experiences, but they do not determine who you are. Your actual character is unaffected by external circumstances, since you are the observer of everything that happens in your life. This knowledge is vital. It is acknowledging that at your essence, you are pure consciousness and awareness. You are not restricted by the experiences that have molded your life. Instead, you are the one who observes, comprehends, and navigates through these happenings. Consider this. When you are conscious of your own thoughts and feelings, you are connecting with a deeper side of yourself. It's a consciousness that you are more than just the individual experiencing those thoughts and sensations. You are also aware of them. This transformation in vision takes you closer to your inner self, giving you a deep understanding of your genuine identity. It marks a shift from viewing oneself exclusively as an individual reacting to external events. Instead, you perceive yourself as the consciousness that observes and understands those reactions. This discipline of self-awareness is not about detachment. It's a return to your original condition of pure love, serenity, pleasure, and self-confidence. It's realizing that you have the ability to build your own reality and manage life situations from a grounded and balanced position. When you take the time to be aware of yourself, you are not only acknowledging your current state of mind, but also the basic component of your being, the awareness that transcends the ebb and flow of existence. This revelation draws you closer to your inner self, reminding you that you are more than just an average person. You are life itself, completely present in the here and now. Let's look at the notion of inner strength and the transforming potential it has. Within you is a magnificent wellspring of resilience, a fundamental strength with the capacity to bring about great changes in your life. This power is not a separate force from you. It is an essential component of your existence. Consider it like tapping into a wellspring of power hidden inside your consciousness. This is not a strength that stems from external accomplishments or situations. It's a natural trait that arises when you know your true self. As you strengthen your connection to this inner power, you will be able to manage life's problems with more ease and confidence. This inner strength is not about rejecting or avoiding hardships. Rather, it's about tackling them with the resilience that comes with knowing your true character. Challenges exist because you are aware of them, and this knowledge allows you to thrive in the face of adversity rather than merely survive them. Your life experience, past events, and even your faults do not define the nature of this inner power. Instead, they become threads in the fabric of your path as viewed by your ever-present consciousness. This knowledge stays untarnished, a constant in the ever-changing landscape of existence. Recognizing this inner power means realizing that your present ideas or circumstances do not determine your identity. You have the ability to mold them, to reinvent your life story. It's the realization that your genuine essence is not limited by external tales. It is pure consciousness, unaffected by the fleeting character of life's experiences. Your awareness becomes a guiding force, helping you to face the ups and downs with steadfast determination. Self-awareness exercise does not imply solitude. Instead, it is a restoration to your true self, a self founded on the unchanging foundation of pure consciousness. This inner power is not an abstract idea. It's a solid force that allows you to control your world. Your life story is not set in stone. You have the option to rewrite it. Feelings of unhappiness or worry do not define you. They are experiences as seen by the consciousness inside. Understanding this empowers you to adjust how you respond to situations, resulting in a positive ripple impact in your life. If you like this video, please consider sharing it with someone you think might appreciate it. Feel free to share your opinions or experiences in the comment section below. Till next time.